Are we getting too far apart here?
Oh, yeah.
Secret to a juicy gammon is having a good quality product.
You can just glaze it with ginger beer and rum.
Not overboil it.
Not overboil it, and just cool it in the liquid. There's so much heat in that with the lid on, it's going to cook it through. You don't want dry gammon, and honestly, per our packet instruction, minus 20 minutes. Do it.
I would never, ever cook a gammon without the bone.
No, I love
Have to have the bone.
Yeah.
Parboil them first and then with a fork scrape them.
Pre-boiled and then just like scratched with a fork.
Your duck fat has to be hot.
Duck fat.
I'm going to use your duck fat, Daisy.
If you don't have duck fat, you can use a mixture of ghee and oil. Works well.
Your oven's got to be the hottest it can go.
Yeah.
265. Put your parboiled potatoes in. Dry, dry, dry. No water at all.
I actually deep fry them. Yeah.
So my issue is it's too thin or it's too thick. Actually, non-existent is generally my problem. Like,
So
I don't want
delicious.
a gravy.
And-
People want a gravy, they need to make it separately. Why would you though?
If the liquids have all evaporated, then you deglaze the gravy with the stock. My magic ingredient is adding cream cheese to it.
Equal part butter, equal part flour equals beurre manie. Just a little bit of that. Stir it in, whisk it in, and it just solves your problem.
Side. I think you mean sides. It's Christmas. We go for beetroot couscous salad, the potato salad there for the older crowd.
Cauliflower cheese is the best with gammon.
White, green asparagus together, tossed up some pomegranate dressing, just beautiful acidity. That's perfect with gammon.
Oh, I love your recipe this year.
Salt and squeeze slaw.
Nice. And
It's
the cauliflower.
essentially like a kimchi
Yeah.
kind of principle.
Pizza pops on sticks, fish goujons. They love goujons.
Eat my sweet
Oh, I made that before. It's delicious.
They would eat what I eat. Yeah, I would never make something special for the kids.
They must learn to eat the way we eat.
Exactly, they must learn to
I'm not
eat.
going to make them hot dogs on Christmas Day.
Maybe a little gingerbread man on the side.
Traditional.
Peppermint crisp and brownie trifle.
My famous Seabalicious trifles. It's a jellyless trifle.
Homemade custard,
Oh, my
red
odds are so
jelly,
good.
and then just before we serve it, whipped cream.
Samis, samis, samis.
You know, with gammon, you can do gourmet sandwiches the day after wraps.
So if you fry Christmas pudding, slices of it, the next morning in butter, and then you whip icing sugar, butter, and brandy together. And then you on a hot piece, and you let that butter go in.
Oh my
It's like,
I was just eating the leftovers.
it really is quite delicious. Happy Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry, not
Okay,
happy.
that's a lot to edit.
Sure, that's a whole TV show.
Thank you, jeepers.